Hi, this is Michael from Logic Hop, and in this video we're going to look at adding personalization with ConvertKit. We're on our ConvertKit landing page and we have a basic call to action, and if I scroll down you'll see I've got an inline ConvertKit form. If I jump into our page editor, I'm going to take a look. We're using Divi Builder, but you can use any editor including the default WordPress editor. You'll see here I've got my call to action. It's a basic H1 tag, and what I want to do is I want to add another call to action that appears if the user has ConvertKit data, if they've signed up for our form. In order to do that, I'm going to open up the Logic Hop tools and I'm going to add a conditional shortcode that says ConvertKit data is available for the user. When I insert this, it gives me a shortcode that has an opening and closing block, and anything that I put in between these two blocks is going to be displayed when this condition is met, when ConvertKit data is available for the user. I'm going to take some pre-existing copy that I have here and just paste it into place. And this basically says, hey, this is a Logic Hop in action. Now, I still have this original call to action here. I need to have a way to hide this when ConvertKit data is available. So there's another way we can do that with Logic Hop in the tool palette. It's a conditional not shortcode. So this is when the condition is not met. Basically, it's the inverse or opposite of our other condition, and it's going to be called when ConvertKit data is not available for the user. I'm just going to wrap this around my original call to action, and now I have two Logic Hop conditions. One when ConvertKit data is not present, and one when ConvertKit data is present. I want to go ahead and personalize this a touch further and say, hey, and add the user's name. Hey, blank, this is Logic Hop in action. In order to do that, I open up the Logic Hop tool, select ConvertKit, and select a variable to display. And this is going to be first name, insert variable shortcode. And all that does is just paste the shortcode in place for us. I'm going to go ahead and save this. Back on our landing page, this is what we see when ConvertKit data is not available. If I scroll down, you'll see that I have the form here, and I'm going to go ahead and enter some information and submit it. And I get a message, now check your email and confirm your subscription to see Logic Hop in action. Now if I jump to my email, you'll see that I have this confirmation, and this is sent from ConvertKit. And if I go ahead and click this, it takes me to our landing page, and here I have the personalization in place. Hey Michael, this is Logic Hop in action. Start your risk-free trial and save 50% on your first month. So now we're personalizing our landing pages, and you can see how Logic Hop works in its most basic sense. This is just scratching the surface, but I want to give you a sense of how to get started with personalization using ConvertKit.